Alright, time for another update on the Zenith 34P electronic chassis portion. What I've done today is two things. I've actually taken the end off of the multi-conductor cable that goes to the power supply, made notes of the number of connectors, their approximate color, and their approximate wire gauge, so I can make a new cable. And then I decided I was going to take the transformer and coil can covers off. It's relatively easy. They're just aluminum cans that cover everything. Have some holes for the wires and two screws. A couple of them need a little PV blaster, but no big deal. So here's what it looks like with everything off. Now you get to see kind of how simple a TRF set is. 4 main coils, 2 transformers, 3 capacitors, a couple dog bone resistors, and one, I gotta see if I can get a little more weight in there. No, there. Kind of hard to see, but there's a wire wound resistor right there. And volume control with power switch. There we go, focus is nice. And I haven't even looked, I don't even know what this control is for, because the tuning capacitor is off here right now. But all of this wire is all brittle and needs replaced. So it will happen. It'll all get replaced. I'm going to make sure that the heater wires are the thicker ones that go into the cable, and also replace, some of these splices and this kind of stuff. Since all the wires are going to be replaced, all these splices will go away. But to now start working on making the replacement cable.